I see. Whose is it? Whose is it?
That is the one.
That's yours? Where up here called? My Gully.
I remember that. That drifter. I just look for it, no? Big elder man drifter. Oh yeah, it's out on the night. It's out on the night.
Oh.
My car finna gear me, brother.
So you ever go to no car show or nothing like that?
Man, say my drifter. Look at that.
So he go.
And I sell this one.
This is how we do it in Jamaica. The car scene in Jamaica ain't no joke. My friend up there, I'll show you the car that a picture of the car he just sent to me. They have car shows up there with antiques and stuff.
How much gear night? 5. No, I hear it.
So you can start it up? Can you start it up?
Turbo. Let's say too fast, no one turbo.
Not tomorrow. Not tomorrow exactly. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Man, this engine of the car. You didn't know like a so big up here. Helicopter man. You know what this speed right now?
That speed you want?
Me there man.
The mechanical driving around some good speed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, park a long time.
Oh my god. Can I have a ginger wine, please? Yes. Don't open it.
No, I'm just.
Okay.
No, it does.
Yeah. Thank you. How much is it?
300.
I think that's exact.
That's it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I never had this one.
It's the same.
Oh, they just changed the label.
Yeah, that's the same Jamaican ginger wine.
Yeah.
Stone ginger wine?
Yeah.
They're in the same thing.
Look, you even got the hat on. Ford all the way.
It's a Ford man.
For real.
You want to drink that? I think something I should buy.
I'm not drinking, I'm bringing this with me.
Strong feels in there someone.
So your son gonna take this over?
Yeah, man, I'll take it.
I was about to say, do you appreciate a car like this?
Yeah, man, yeah, appreciate it, man.
I need to.
You tell one man say, why would you not sell it back? He say, you not take 15,000 pounds back.
A bowl them for them in England and all.
No, he young man, you know. We have our next one was in debt. And the man in the ruler.
Oh, in style car though?
That the man in the side car all over. Was in debt.
You know what youth name Romeo and slide car over? Them drive a Starlet, a gold Starlet.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Me love this up. Man, style of my thing, brother. Let me drag racing like come down.
Yeah, man, it's like it's not that thing.
You like it? You know, cut that.
No, what, man?
Side, man. Side. Boy, man, be like one E-turn, red one.
A red one.
JG dog, I be like,
No, man, I think you see the daisy they were putting out everything.
no, you see the sugar red.
Yeah, man, they were putting out everything.
And the man there, you see team something there. Until
Speedy, they give up 5 days.
car can get it.
5 days more. Man, we do, man. Speedy. No, give me.
You man a rock it, man. Give man a rock it. I'm going to check that short. I wish me a go for a minute.
No, Speedy, give me 5 days more. Yeah, the driving shaft. I just hit that. Speedy. Just driving out there, you know.
Yeah.
You see, you.
Alright, what's your name? What's your name?
Ricardo.
I'll go like, wait, I'll go like this. What is it? Carlton? Carlton? Your name? Ricardo. Okay, him too. Ricardo. That's your son then. He could get it now. His name Ricardo for real. Alright. Him name Ricardo now. I'm about to send this to Tony.